샤샤
진입니다. 오늘 만나볼 이 씬의 주인공은 구독자 무려 27만 명을 보유하고 계신 인플루엔서이자 유튜버인 애디님의 광안리가 보이는 오션뷰 오피스텔이 되겠습니다.
애디님의 오피스텔을 보여주기에 앞서서 부산 광안리해수욕장의 역사를 조금 알고 가볼까요?
부산 광안리해수욕장은 부산역에서 자동차를 이용해서 30분, 대중교통을 타고 약 40분 정도 떨어진 곳에 위치하고 있고요. 부산 광안리라고 하면 가장 떠오르는 랜드마크가 있죠. 광안대교인데요. 너무나도 아름다운 야경을 자랑하고 있지만 이곳의 모습 또한 늘 그렇지는 않았다고 합니다.
광안대교가 만들어지기 과정까지 많은 말들이 많았다고 해요. 당시 지역 주민들이 광안대교를 건설한다고 했을 때 소음 및 매연 문제, 특히 해변의 경관을 망친다고 해서 1년 넘게 반대가 너무 심해 광안대교 건설이 폐기될 뻔했지만 당시 공무원이 포기하지 않고 끈질기게 설득을 해서 광안대교가 완성이 될 수 있었고 지금 관광과 교통을 해결해버린 획기적인 다리로 평가받고 있다고 합니다.
이 아름다운 경치를 자랑한 오션뷰 오피스텔을 함께 만나보시죠.
보기 전에 구독과 좋아요, 알람 설정까지 잊지 말아주세요.
Hi everyone, so my name is Adrienne Hill and I'm from North Carolina in the United States. I live in this house by myself along with my dog Cleo. I pay $5 million for the key money and then the rent I pay 550,000 won for. Welcome to my small, cozy little house in Guanali. The main reason that I picked this place is because of the gorgeous view. I love the big window. It is so nice waking up every morning and seeing the ocean. It's just such a good area to live in. On the left here, I have my shoe area, so I just store my shoes in here. Right here, I have some cabinets, and I actually have skincare inside here. I love to come shopping in there. It's kind of like my own little mini skincare store. I'm really glad that my house has a lot of clothing storage. That's one of the reasons why I decided to pick this house. This kitchen is really small, but it's actually really functional. Right here is my little island, and this is my favorite feature of the kitchen. I actually bought this because, as you can see, there's actually only a little bit of storage in my kitchen. It just really adds a lot to the kitchen, and I feel like it makes it super complete. Just next to my kitchen, I have this set of drawers. I actually keep my daily skincare products on here. I know usually you would keep them in the bathroom, right? But I like to put them on here, and then at nighttime when I'm getting ready for bed, I kind of just put it on my hand and I walk around my house wearing it. And then I also have candle, and then this is kind of like a little room fragrance. It smells so good, so I just like to keep it out so that I'm always reminded that I have it. So first thing you will notice is I actually have a partition, because when you're living in a studio, sometimes it can be a little claustrophobic. So this is a built-in divider that came with my apartment. This was one of the selling points for me, and then I wanted to brighten up the room a little bit. So I just got this really pretty flowy curtain. Now I have a nice bright partition, so I really like that. And then my bed is just right under. Here is my little electronics box. I typically have my iPad on my bed. I love just laying in bed and using my iPad. And then right here is just a little shelving unit. In Korea, it's hard to hammer shelves into the wall because the walls are solid. So you can just get something like this, and it's a really good way to give my room some personality. So a tradition I have in every single house I've ever lived in is I have to have one of these nice big mirrors. Not only is it nice just to be able to look at your outfit when you're leaving the house, but having a big mirror, I feel like it really opens up your space, especially when you're in a small little house like this. And then over here is kind of a getting ready station. So I just have some of my hair tools, and then on top I have my baby. This is my YouTube play button, and I actually brought it with me from America to Korea when I moved here. I'm really, really proud of this accomplishment. And then right here, what I'm stepping on is my little carpet. I love this carpet. It's pretty small, but I just like how it brightens up the room, and it's also like a really fun pattern. Let me show you my desk. This is actually a newer addition to my house, and I love this setup. It is so nice to sit here and work while I have the ocean view right in front of me and I've got a lot of sunlight coming in. I have my laptop with a laptop stand. Because I'm a YouTuber, of course I have to have like all my camera stuff nearby at all times. So over here I just have like my most commonly used cameras and tripods and my headphones, all that good stuff. Very simple working area, I really like it. Guanali is just a big hot place. I mean, there is always something going on here. For example, in the daytime, in the summer, there are tons of umbrellas set up and people having so much fun in the ocean. And then at nighttime, this place turns into a big party hub. There are so many bars on this street. There's tons of cafes. There's just all kinds of things going on, and it's a really, really fun area to live in. Because I'm actually like in front of a bunch of buildings, so I don't have that much sunlight coming in. It felt really cold and gray inside. So I actually didn't go for a specific theme or color scheme or anything like that. But what I realized is like bright whites and accents of greens make me really happy, so I added that. And then I also just like to add decorations from places I've traveled to. When I was living in the States, I lived in quite big homes, and it was nice that Cleo could just run around. So I was definitely worried about that, but I think I was able to gradually transition her, and she honestly is fine because what's nice is I have a really long hallway in here, so I can play, you know, with her toys and make her run all over. And she's also 10 years old, so she does not have as much energy as a puppy would have. If you guys want to see more about life in Korea, I have a channel, so it's just Adrian Hill, and I make different travel and lifestyle vlogs, so come on over and come subscribe. I'd love to have you in our family.